Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chuck, Glamper Van Adventures. Well, today I got something a little different. I got a vintage trailer. It's a 1965. I believe it's Aristocrat. But let's go take a look. He's had it covered up, so he just kind of took the cover halfway off, which is fine. What is this, 13 foot?
15.
Okay, it's a 15 foot.
Low liner.
Was it Aristocrat?
Yeah, low liner.
Oh, okay.
Designed to fit in your garage and be
Okay,
light.
oh, low liner, okay. So you could probably just about tow this with anything. Now, the guy was starting to restore it, but then things changed. So just take a look. Okay, he has two new propane tanks. Okay. It's got the 60s and the 70s colors, that green.
Yeah, this is a 65.
65.
It's got the original, if you look above the stove, it's got the original propane lamp with the lens on it.
Oh, wow.
Those are original curtains, original lights.
Okay. Wow.
So this here will fold down into a bed, and I have the cushions. I was going to cover them, but I have both the cushions for that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have the cushions for the bed. So where you're standing, you pull that out. There's a bar inside here.
Okay.
That bar goes across, and then you have a bed right there. And then that pulls down as a bed.
Cool.
It's a bunk. Nobody uses it as a bunk, though.
And there's headroom in here, too. It's about 6 foot, 'cause I'm just under 6 foot. Not bad. This would be worth fixing up. I know there's a lot of people, like I said, that are into these vintage trailers. So stove and everything works?
Stove works, yes.
Okay, it's 3 burner.
Refrigerator, hit and miss. I gotta pull it out and flip it upside down, is what everyone online says to do with them.
Okay. Now is that electric and propane?
Yep.
Okay. Storage under those seats over there?
Yep. Lift them up.
Oh, okay. Yeah. This would be good for a little weekender.
Yep.
And like I said, it's low, so if you have a garage, you can fit this in.
Yep. And it's easy to tow.
Do you know how many pounds it weighs?
No.
No, okay.
It's probably on this tag right here.
Okay.
It's got the original VIN plate on it right here.
Oh, okay. Then a little storage there.
Yeah, it's just a storage. Everyone thinks it's a bathroom, but it's not.
No bathroom? Okay.
65, they didn't do that.
Okay, you can always get a little porta potty and put it in here.
People do.
Original paneling, huh?
Yep.
Now, does it leak, or is that just a little... Well, I don't see any water
I
anywhere.
don't have any leaks. At least I've never had one.
Okay, well, that's just 58 years old. Okay. A little window there. Original curtains.
Yep.
Look, original cup holder.
Yeah, like I said, man, it's a time capsule.
A percolator. Most young people don't know what those are.
I bought that at a garage sale.
You got drawers here. Ovens clean. It's got a spot for 2 propane tanks. You said this pigtail was new. Okay. Now, does this have a plug-in for shore power?
Yeah,
or a battery?
It's 110 on this side.
Okay. Okay.
Right
Yeah.
here. The
Sit.
water's right here.
Okay. 110.
The outlet there for the sink. If you
Okay.
need it. And that's where the water goes.
So it doesn't really have any gray tank.
It does have a gray tank.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't have a black tank for bathroom.
Exactly.
There's no bathroom, but
Okay.
there's a gray tank in here.
Okay.
If you look here in the back, it's got the original plate on it. Can't even find those at swap meets. There's the gray tank in the corner.
Okay, it does have a gray tank. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at those old jacks. Fallen Aristocrat. Now, how much are you selling this for?
It was it online. You should know.
Oh, 7,500.
75.
7,500.
Yep.
Okay. So it's got the screen door there. There's a little window. These are the windows that come out.